Y'all, this is my monitor lizard Quan. He's a Mangrove Monitor. We're just practicing holding him, getting him used to me. Had him for about 2-3 months now, probably 2 months. He's going through shed right now. As you can see, there's some mice in the background. It's dinner. Currently he's terrified, that's why he's not moving. Highly intelligent, inquisitive animals. Took us a bit to get to this point. He was just running at first. Happily, though, when he drinks it, he hasn't bit me yet. So, yeah, there's that. Happy about that. Right now, he's just kind of staying in my hand, like trying to make sudden movements. Generally, when they're afraid, they'll do a couple of things. They will, one, basically make a bowel movement and, what's it called? Pee on you. And then two, they'll get really still or really silent. Well, not silent, but they'll become really still. Like they'll stop moving. So that you just ignore them and move on with your life. He's kind of in the second phase right now. Sometimes if you step out of the cage and they're still afraid of you, they'll just not move or just freeze up. Which you can notice. He's uncharacteristically still. There are a couple of ways of learning to handle and tame your monitors. One, there's the hands-off approach. You just constantly give them food and then back away and they eventually warm up. It's another method in where you do a mix of, you pick them up, do daily interactions, and make sure that they're good, where they just get used to you. And there is a rat that I'm gonna have to save soon. Hopefully it's a fuzzy mouse. Hopefully it's not strong enough to run out. Generally I feed Quan a diet of dubia roaches and fuzzies. Of course the fuzzies like drowning, so they're kind of blind. And here we go. This video may extend to watching a mouse get saved. Put my Quan back in. Go. Okay, Quan definitely is not moving. Trying to release him. Okay, Quan doesn't want to go back inside his cage. Oh, here it is. There Quan go. And the water has rocked the thing so he gets off. There goes the fuzzies. There goes Quan. Proceeding to go hide somewhere. And that's that. See you next time, y'all.